Today, I'll be going through the setup for the e-composter from Home Depot. This is a compost bin that I bought at Home Depot for about $50. It says it covers 120 gallons and it can turn kitchen and yard waste into compost fertilizer. You can see an area that I've chosen to use as part of the place where we put the compost bin. This was originally a spot that was weeded over on our property, and you can see the adjacent contractor's property over there, but it's pretty much guaranteed that nobody will buy it because of an easement. What I've done is I've cleared out a little region here that seems to be hidden from the road, and that both my neighbors and I can use to do this composting thing. It seems like it should be pretty beneficial, plus they give me really good vegetables from their garden. When I cut off all the ties, it looks something like this when propped up against the wall. Just like the kit says, I have two of the main sides. I have two of the drawers to open up. I have what I presume is the top, complete with the watering hole. And I have what I presume is also part of the bottom. And then I have two other sides complete with rigging material. If you take the sides, they literally fit together. You can actually see in there, if the camera will show the light, you can actually see the individual grooves for each of the tongue pieces to fit in. And apparently they snap right into place. Now, with all three of the pieces together, you may be wondering how these fit on. These literally just kind of fit into place. So you literally just take this and you put it up there. Well, it just slides down into place. There's not a whole lot to hold it in place, but it is there. Now, according to instructions, these are actually for hinges, which is pretty cool. So let's try to figure this out. Apparently for the hinges, what transpires is on the edge that has the rounded piece, on each side there is one of these little holes, and it fits into place like so. The top now fits into the hinges very easily, hopefully. Let's try to figure this out here. At first I couldn't figure it out, but the trick is to put the lid upright, and then it slides right into these little hinges, and is as easy as you please. From here, the hinge assembly is not too bad either. If you notice, it slides in a hole, and you'll have to work this little end around a little bit to get it set right. But when it's done, it should look pretty much like that. The final step is to take the bottom. From what the instructions seem to say, you should lay it out, and then you should be able to connect these together to make one central piece. Notice that one side says this side up, while the other side says this side down. Then these little pieces all fit in like four little buckles, where the belt comes from here, slips into the buckle, belt into the buckle, belt into the buckle, belt into the buckle. If you line it up right, there should be two on the side with the big gate opening. Each one of these pieces will clip into a hole here. This is the placement for my e-composter. We'll see how it goes. Notice I've got the bin placed where I can have easy access to the side panels. We'll see how it all works. E-composter, the assembly was pretty easily. However, the Made in America fan may not like the fact that it's actually made in Israel. Good luck with your e-composter. I'll let you know how mine gets used.